Two gaming handhelds. One is built like a mini Windows gaming PC, and the other feels more like a portable Steam console. But which one is actually worth your money? So today I'm going to compare the ROG Xbox Ally X and the Lenovo Legion Go S. Well, I know that this is kind of a weird comparison because most people know which one is better among these two. The only reason I'm comparing these two is because it has the almost same price. The ROG Xbox Ally X cost me $999, and Legion Go S cost me $989. With the pricing context out of the way, let's take a closer look at what these two handhelds brings to the table. So let's start with ROG Xbox Ally X, which is basically a powerful Windows handheld with Xbox branding and PC gaming flexibility. It comes with the AMD Ryzen AI Z2 Extreme, 24GB of RAM, 1TB SSD, a 7-inch Full HD 120Hz display, and Windows. On the other side, we have the Lenovo Legion Go S SteamOS Edition, which comes with the AMD Ryzen Z2 Go, 16GB of RAM, 512GB SSD, an 8-inch display, and most importantly, it's only SteamOS. So right away, you clearly know which one is better from this, but I will still keep talking. The ROG Xbox Ally X uses the AMD Ryzen AI Z2 Extreme, and the Legion Go S uses the AMD Ryzen Z2 Go. Both are good processors, but Z2 Extreme is the more powerful chip than Z2 Go. If your main goal is maximum performance in a handheld, the ROG Xbox Ally X has the advantage here. The ROG Xbox Ally X comes with 24GB of RAM, while the Legion Go S has 16GB of RAM. That matters because handheld gaming PCs share memory between the system and graphics, so more RAM can help with heavier games, multitasking, background apps, and more stable performance in demanding titles. The ROG Xbox Ally X having 24GB gives it more breathing room, especially when running Windows and modern games compared to Legion Go S. Now, storage. The ROG Xbox Ally X comes with a 1TB SSD, while the Legion Go S SteamOS version comes with 512GB SSD. The Legion Go S does support microSD expansion, which helps, but for internal storage, the ROG Xbox Ally X has the clear advantage. Now, the only part where Legion Go S is the winner, and that is display. The ROG Xbox Ally X has a 7-inch 120Hz display. The Legion Go S has an 8-inch Full HD 120Hz display. For handheld gaming, that extra screen size on the Legion Go S can make a real difference. Text is easier to read, menus feel less cramped, and games feel more immersive. Now let's talk about the operating system. The ROG Xbox Ally X runs Windows. That means you can use Xbox Game Pass, Steam, Epic Games, Battle.net, Ubisoft Connect, EA app, and almost any PC gaming launcher. This is the biggest strength of Windows handhelds. The Legion Go S runs only SteamOS, and that is a huge advantage for people who mainly play Steam games. So the simple answer is this. If you want maximum game launcher compatibility, go with the ROG Xbox Ally X. If you want a smoother, console-like Steam experience, go with the Legion Go S. Now the battery. The ROG Xbox Ally X has an 80 watt-hour battery, while the Legion Go S has a 55.5 watt-hour battery. So ROG is the clear winner on this one too. Now comfort and portability. The ROG Xbox Ally X has a 7-inch screen and Xbox-style grips, so it feels more controller-like. If you like Xbox controllers, this device will feel familiar. It is designed for longer gaming sessions, and the controls are one of its strongest points. But it is heavier than Legion Go S, so keep that in mind too. The Legion Go S has a bigger 8-inch screen, which is great for visibility. But a bigger screen also means a bigger handheld. It may feel more immersive, but not everyone will prefer the size. So this depends on your preference. If you want a more compact handheld with Xbox-style controls, the ROG Xbox Ally X is better. If you want a bigger screen and a Steam Deck-style experience, the Legion Go S is better. So based on this comparison, if I had to choose one as my main handheld, I would pick the ROG Xbox Ally X because of the stronger hardware, 24GB RAM, 1TB SSD, Windows compatibility, and bigger battery. So now I want to know your opinion. Which one would you choose? The ROG Xbox Ally X or the Legion Go S SteamOS? Comment below and let me know which handheld you think is the better buy. And as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.